Welcome guys. Today I am going to show you below 2 GB RAM device lag fix method. Okay, let's start.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state I'm a pretty boss with almost your brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got
Go to device memory. Select download folder. You can view download config file here. Click and extract that. Click extract. Click that side's green button. Extracted successfully. You can get two files, active save and config. Click config. Choose your choice. There is a version 1 and version 2. Copy this file. User custom INI. Copy. Go to device memory. Android. Data. Find tungsten IG. Files. UE for game. Shadow tracker extra. Again shadow tracker. Saved. Config. Android. You can paste here. Click that green side button. Don't forget to apply to all file. Click. Replace it. OK, go to home. Again download. Select active.save. Copy this file. Copy. Go to device memory. Select Android. Data. Find tungsten.ig.
I'm the girl that they don't talk about. Quiet with a big mouth. Listen for the doubt, then call it. Make you out for what you say to me. Look at
Files.
every single date. If
UE
you
for
got what I
game.
need, then
Shadow tracker.
I'll take you
Again shadow tracker.
big deal. Eggs you can unseal.
Saved.
Heat ignition. Just keep me for like that.
Save games.
In a while, feel alright. I know you like it. Can't fight it. I'ma let you
Then paste here. Click that side green button. Click and apply to all. Replace it.